Hello everyone, I am Fizadang and today we are discussing whether as a woman are you paying any hidden costs? Confused, right? Sociologically, it already seems like the cost of being a woman is exorbitant. But how about financially? Yes, womanhood does seem to have cost more, and this is known as the pink tax. Everything from razor blades to deodorants to many other personal products, haircuts to children's clothing to toys. Female consumers pay more, and there are price differences between males and females. Even in a case like razor blades, where razors are the same for men and women, and yet their distinguishing price points for each has been touted as a marketing strategy. So, if a product has more familiar packaging or color like pink, it could be charged higher, and these stores manufacturers continue to perpetuate this pink tax because overcharging females became an accepted norm because seemingly women are willing to pay for it. It doesn't matter if they are even necessities like tampons, they're still considered to be luxury items and taxed. Though we have seen incremental changes to reform this in many countries, including ours, India. That being said, it's hard to evaluate if the product has no real male equivalent such as bras, tampons, and pantyhose. So, how could women beat this gender-based price discrimination? One idea is to surely stop willingly buying these products and compare prices to purchase products that are gender neutral, as opposed to products that are pinkified or even go for any generic brands. Another idea is to support brands working towards dismantling the pink tax as well as building awareness by asking services that why they are priced higher for women. But all in all, to discriminate this pink, no means no.